Hello, today we're trying to process some light bunker oil. It's a normal fuel, but not probably that suitable for diesel, so we're trying to make it a little bit lighter. So it's a high temperature destructive distillator. A few little improvements. Here's the oil we've got here, and here's a source one. It's quite clear and a different greenish color, and after treatment I'm gonna treat it with some chemicals. It's gonna become almost transparent. Is the temperature we're running it at 262 degrees. Now the reformer was flushed. It's been quite dirty after waste oil processing. Now you can see the diesel coming out almost transparent, so you can see. Here's the source oil. It's very dark. So we're pumping it through the system continuously, keeping the temperature. It's quite high now, 280. You can see it quite clear, almost transparent. It's a portable cooling system. I just switched off the fan because it's too noisy. So some improvements still needs to be done. I think I need to add an extra cooler because it's coming out quite hot, steaming, despite of big condenser. So technically it's a working device, can be used for processing of motor oil. I personally would prefer to process some light oils like automatic transmission oil. As you can see, very transparent. This one is transparent as well, just steaming a bit. Now please note, this is not a fuel leak, it's a water leak. I just lost the plug somewhere. Quite clean. It's the resulting one. It's our result. This is what we're processing. From this to this.